Our communication diagnostics have revealed some very surprising things. For example, for one client, our communication diagnostic revealed that they could save potentially $228,000 a year if they streamlined their writing and reviewing processes and also fixed some miscommunications that were making everyone frustrated. For that same client, the communication diagnostic also found that they were potentially wasting 4,392 hours on writing and reviewing on documents that they weren't happy with anyway. For another client, our communication diagnostics revealed that they could potentially save $146,000 a year if they followed Hurley Write's plan to improve their writing and reviewing processes and fix some other miscommunications and issues that were happening that prevented writers from doing their best work and reviewers from really being heard by writers. For that same organization, the communication diagnostic found that they could potentially save 3,522 hours. That's a lot of time. Perhaps some of the most surprising results that our communication diagnostics have revealed are when team members truly feel frustrated and unheard. We had one team that felt like the leadership weren't hearing them, and they were wondering if they should keep that job or not. For others, leadership see these results and they go, "That's what's going on? I didn't know that. I thought it was this other thing." That happens a lot. And that's one reason why I love the communication diagnostics, because it reveals truth. It reveals what's actually happening. So you stop chasing red herrings, you stop throwing good money at bad solutions, and you actually pursue solutions that work.